So the next team we have GranDen, please. And Stream, please be ready.
Hello everyone, I'm delighted to join you all today. My name is Benson, PR Manager of GranDen. We are a company that revolutionizing the way people interact with each other, sharing knowledge and information through XR technology. And to help me explain why, I would like to share with you a quote by the great politician, William Crawford. Being a student is easy, learning requires extra work. Well, although what he said about being a student just needs extra work, but in fact, being a student needs requires a lot of like money costs on tuition or maybe like safety risk. If you are a student and you're willing to become a doctor or an architect, or maybe you want to acquire knowledge about aircrafts, besides you need to work on learning, but it also requires a lot of money cost and safety risk. Taking the aviation maintenance training as an example, the cost of merely parking the aircraft for training is $60,000 per day, and there can only be one training mechanic at a time, which is inefficient. Practical training can also lead to many safety and exhaust emission issues. Nowadays, we have sophisticated solutions to everything through technology, but why do we can't still solve these issues? It's 2021, it's time for a change. Now I tell you that GranDen can solve these issues. We gathered the pain of the aviation companies and from the students to manage all these issues from one single product. I'm proud to introduce you to the aircraft MR maintenance training system. This is a product that focuses on the training of aviation maintenance, and it is the first and only MR-based training system. In this video, you can see that it presents the aircraft in the eyes of users through the MR device. And it creates exactly the same training details according to the actual training courses. You can experience the actual procedure without controllers, just through your hand. For the instructors, we have designed a simple editing system that the instructor can easily adjust the course content by themselves. We have also designed a remote support function that the instructor can remotely edit some sign or icons in the user's vision, and the users can, through the user's vision, they can overlap with the actual aircraft, guiding the users to solve some problems. This product has three key features. First of all, it supports Microsoft HoloLens 2, which is recognized as the most cutting-edge MR device, and it can present better performance. Secondly, we are the only maintenance training system that incorporates MR technology, which is different from using VR. You can see the instructor in real life, but also immerse yourself into the virtual world at the same time. Last but not least, we have remote support function that I've just mentioned earlier. It can not only be used in training, but also in actual real-life emergencies. China Airlines has been using our product since last year, and we are planning to expand the product service to other trainings. The chief instructor of China Airlines, Mr. Chen Mingsi, loves our work. He said that through our product, we have greatly reduced the use of actual aircraft, and we have improved the past problems. We are initially drawn into the field of aviation maintenance because of its huge market. The collaboration market is estimated at $33 billion as of this year, and it is growing at a staggering 6% per year, which means there's plenty of room for us to grow. After what I just said, you might be wondering, why are we the perfect team to reinvent education? Our team has many years of experience in the game and media industry. Our CEO and CTO has been working for Capcom many years. They have huge experience in building scalable systems, and we know how to grow profitable business. We are looking for $2 million to go fast. We want to scale the team further to develop the product and a big marketing push, which will bring us to a higher level. More of that, famously, JJ Lin has become our key investor since last year, and we have become sales partners with Microsoft and LG. I promise you, GranDen will be the new norm. We are a team where there is a pain, we have the solution. We got beautiful products and we got traction. So if you'd like to take part in this revolution, please come and see us after the pitch. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Benson from GranDen. Yeah, Kemi, please.
Besides from China Airlines, do you have any potential customer that you are talking?
Recently, we are talking with the Singapore Airlines. because it affect with the pandemic. So we got contact person in the Singapore Airlines. Yeah.
How are you guys reaching out to these customers?
For China Airlines, that we have contact person in China Airlines, and we also got the resource from Microsoft. We have been chosen for the Microsoft startup teams. So we think that we can maybe use the resource that Microsoft gave us to cooperate with the airlines.
I'm curious about what's the tech entry barrier that we're building, because seems there are a lot of the companies that are also doing the XR or VR services that for training. So I'm just curious how our service is different from others.
For the surveys, you mean the competitive advantage?
Yeah, the product itself.
Okay, so first we have choose for focus on the aviation maintenance training because it got less competitors. Because everyone think that if you are aviation company that you use XR technology. Normal companies will focus on the pilot training. Yes, so our advantage is that we focus on the aviation maintenance training, and it is only MR based. We are the first and only. Yes.
Can you go back to your team's chart? Yeah, I'm wondering, is any of your team members that has been in this area before, and why do you think that the team can be the first one who is doing the MR system in this aircraft system?
You mean the which area? You mean XR technology?
Yeah, like MR, right? Because you are doing the.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Our CEO and CTO. Well, they are worked in Capcom before, but after they have gone to some technology companies that are working for XR, VR MRs.
Okay, any more questions or comments? We still have 20 seconds? No. Okay, thank you very much, GranDen. Thank you, Benson.